Hello beautiful people, come along with me as I show in this video the process and how I prepared my holiday meal. The night before I prepared my cornbread and my turkey. And I prepared my turkey by thoroughly cleaning, cutting, seasoning, and I marinated it in the refrigerator. Early that morning, I prepared my ham hocks. So then I thoroughly cleaned my peppers for my grandmother's dressing recipe. Remember to freeze the ends of your peppers and onions to make your own broth. After my turkey marinated overnight, I baked it. And then I checked on my ham hocks. And then I prepared my sweet potatoes for my cake. Then I checked on the add-ins for my homemade dressing. And then I checked on my turkey. And then I checked on my ham hocks to see how tender they were. I washed my greens and cabbages. And the turkey was done. And then I prepared my dressing. This is my grandmother's recipe. I wanted to keep it traditional. And then I needed to taste my cabbage and greens. In the first taste, wasn't feeling it. Needed more seasonings. But before I added more seasonings, I prepared the filling for my cake. I added more seasonings. And you see it. Bussin'. Yeah. So then my dressing was done. So then I started on my sweet potato cake. And this video is sponsored and brought to you by Oils and Bars. Oils and Bar soaps are made with the best ingredients and they're on sale for $3 a bar. Get you some today. So while my cake was baking, I worked on my icing, my topping. Then once my cake was done, I poked holes in it, spreaded my icing all over the top, and there you go. And then so when my cake was done, I worked on my macaroni and cheese. And so for all of the dishes that I prepared in this video, I will upload videos on how I step by step made them. Be on the lookout. Thanks for watching.